Hi Brian, this is James Francis. We met at SETC. You asked me to record a couple things from Les Mis and send them back to you, so I'm doing that right now. Hope you're doing well. Do you hear the people sing, singing the songs of angry men? It is a music of a people who will not be slaves again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drums, there is a life about to start when tomorrow comes. Will you join in our crusade? Who will be strong and stand with me beyond the barricade? Is there a world you long to see? Then join in the fight and we'll give you the right to be